In this video, I will show you how to change language on YouTube. So let's get started. First, open YouTube app on your mobile. Now tap your profile image located at the bottom right side. Now go to the settings by tapping on gear icon located at the top right side. On settings page, tap General. Next, tap App Language. At the moment, English United States language is set as the current language. And this will open a window with various languages. Just scroll through the language list and find your preferred language. Once you find your language, just tap on it to select. Here you will get a confirmation box for changing app language. Just tap Change. Now close the app. Close from background as well. Reopen YouTube app. And you will find that the language is now changed. So that is how you can change language on YouTube. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.